Hello everybody, this is Dr. Scott Perlman live here from historic Marietta, Georgia at JAS Medical and Wellness Center here at my clinic. I want to talk briefly today about a small topic, but yet a big one because everybody talks about it, gut health and nutrition for the gut. We want to talk about healing this range in here, in this quad little area of the abdomen, about healing it, keeping it right so the rest of the body can properly express about products that you may be taking. I want to talk a little bit about fermentation briefly. Fermentation, fermented foods like sauerkraut, vegetables, and anything that's fermented is really good, putting that good biome and getting that gut to heal. I can't say enough about it. Sauerkraut's one of my favorite. I put that on my veggie burgers and different products that I eat. Cannot say enough about putting that good biome together and probiotic health into the intestinal tract. Today's topic is the gut healing kit. You will find that on our website. Please feel free to go to www.drscottperlman.com and you'll go under the store and you'll see it there, gut health kit. We're going to talk about those products. So one of the products that's there is my Dr. Scott's Gut Essentials. Gut Essentials is an easy product to take. It's one time a day. It's got a powder that dissolves in your favorite juice or water, whatever you choose to do on the day. If you're going to do a juice, I prefer a juice that you make fresh at home, obviously, and it dissolves very quickly. You take it one time in the morning and you're good to go. The other two products that I'm going to talk about, you can take it with that at the same time, is not a problem. And the IgG that we're going to talk about, you'll take 2 more caps later on in the afternoon and you're done for the day. That protocol will run roughly anywhere from 3 to 4 months, and you can count on it working very well on the biome in the gut. Secondly, what I want to talk about here are some of the ingredients that support that. Now, glutamine is one of the products that are in there. A lot of people don't know about L-glutamine, but it really helps line the wall of the intestinal tract while you're trying to heal and protect that biome inside the gut. Secondly, it also has glucosamine, zinc, which also boosts the GI integrity, which means the wall, the lining of the intestinal tract. When you take these products, it helps build that tract, protect the tract, healing that tract during the time that you're going to be on the product base. IgG Essentials, that is colostrum based. Colostrum is really good. It's inside colostrum, especially for mothers that are breastfeeding, you'll get also what's called SIGA. It builds immunity, it lines the intestinal wall, protects you against all the monsters that may be there inside the intestinal tract, but that is also in our product. Some of the benefits of colostrum, which I spoke about, is builds immunity, it's critical nutrient source, okay, reduces inflammation. I will tell you that all inflammation in the body creates all disease. If you're diseased, whether you're cancer, arthritis, any kind of blood disorder, any kind of disease process you have is caused by inflammation in the body. So you want to reduce that as much as possible from juicing or other things, or herbals that will help. This is a product, my IgG product with colostrum, will help bring down that inflammation during the healing time. It helps fight cancer. Why? Because it's helping build the immune system in the body. You always want to build that immunity with white blood cell, T counts. Any of you out there with cancer know exactly what I'm talking about. So anything that you can do to increase immunity, you want to do. So colostrum is a really good benefit. We have a probiotic essential, which is also part of my triple blend that you take. The probiotic essential is got what's called a cocoa-2 enzyme. Hate to give you that tongue twister, but I'm going to leave it at that. We put it in there at a low probiotic strand. Not a 50 billion or 100 billion, but maybe a 24 7-blend billion based product. This is only during the healing time. So when you're done with the 3-4 month protocol, you can go back to taking 50 or 100 billion, which is really good to line the intestinal tract. These are the 3 products that we like. So you have the GI Essential, you have the IgG, and you have the probiotic. Those 3 products are highly recommended. If you want to add a vitamin B complex to that, is also really good to do because Bs are known for brain function, gut function, bowel function, and so forth. And it's got a full proprietary blend. So whether you get one from us or at your favorite place, you can add that to the protocol. Would be highly recommended. It's really good to do. So with that said, if you know anybody who has any irritable bowel problems, celiac problems, Crohn's problems, or just knowing that biome for them, that whole intestinal flora is not right, and whether it's a family member, a friend, a loved one, anyone, please feel free to share this video with them that might educate them on what they might be able to do with such a gut protocol kit like ours. We want to thank you from my heart to yours, letting everybody know and sharing and sharing our website, being there for us all this year, and for watching JAS TV quick videos. And again, this is Dr. Scott Perlman from JAS Medical Wellness, live here from historic Marietta, Georgia. And as always, it's important to me that it's important to you. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.